This was no ordinary plane. This was a Boeing Dreamliner. This is the same plane which our Prime Minister Narendra Modi uses. And in all probability, Mr. Modi would have flown for the G7 summit in Canada in this same plane. Point number two. The Turkish company was taking care of the handling operations at many airports in India. Only after Operation Sindoor they were chucked out under public pressure. Point number three. Indigo Airlines is still having an alliance with the Turkish company. Why has it been allowed to? Can I ask the aviation minister or the home minister or the prime minister of India this question? Now, this is, as I feel, this could be electronic jamming, or it could be some mischief by the ground staff. It's in all probability, I feel this is electronic jamming, something similar to what happened with Bipin Rawat's helicopter. And we have been getting threats for the last 6 months that we will, from terrorists, that we will blow up Air India plane. Air India plane. Why? Because Tata is going to manufacture the Rafales. That's another point. So in all probability, this is a lethal cocktail of sabotage and terrorism put together. It could be by the deep state, by countries inimical to India, but like Pakistan, China, Turkey, etc. And now the deep state doesn't want actually nationalist people to head the governments of the countries, like Mr. Donald Trump, like Mr. Putin, like Mr. Netanyahu, like Mr. Narendra Modi. There will be many more incidents now, not only of sabotage but of arson, violence, all over the world, not in all the countries, only in those countries which the deep state wants to destabilize. India is one of them. You can watch what's happening in America now. Yeah, it's obviously the deep state at work. So that's it for now, I suppose. But I just wanted to air my thoughts out. And yeah, as far as even the technical staff giving some kind of a certificate कि ये पार्ट चेंज करने का था, वो करने का था, अरे भाई वो तो आप वैसे भी लिख के दे सकते हो कि ये करने का था, ये बराबर नहीं था, वो बराबर नहीं था, ताकि कल साबोटाज के ऊपर नाम नहीं आए. किसको मालूम पड़ेगा अभी चेंज किया नहीं किया, बराबर, कि टेररिज्म का नाम नहीं आए. ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद मुझे मालूम था जो पाकिस्तान ने मार खाया ये डायरेक्ट अभी अपने से लड़ेगा नहीं, ये पीछे से ही चाकू डालेगा. ये लोग इसमें ही माहिर हैं, ये इनके डीएनए में है. और ये मुझे लगता है कि ये सब इन लोग ने मिलके ये कांड किया है. बट somebody has to be held accountable, whether it is the Home Minister of India or the Aviation Minister. Somebody has to be held accountable for this. We will not suffer this lax and laziness or whatever you call it of this government any further.